In this video, I will show you how to make and deploy Cloud Functions in Firebase and update my create user logic, so make it more secure. Okay, and this is the app index page and the profile page. We have auth, sign in and sign up, and create user will trigger this function. After create user, we will use this function setDoc to set a data in users table. It's user ID, email, nickname, avatar, and created ID. So we move this to Firebase Cloud Functions. Okay, so we just run create, and the function in Firebase Cloud Functions will create a user in users table. Okay, so go Firebase. Here, choose functions, and instruction, run this command npm install -g. I already run it. Okay. And next, continue, and Firebase init deploy. Okay. So we run this Firebase init functions, not the whole project. Firebase init functions. Okay, and choose TypeScript. Yes, and install yes. And we no need this, so we no need this, and no need a wait setDoc. Okay. In this register, we just use create user. Okay, and this will change the auth status. Okay, save this, and wait for this. Okay, it's done. It's done, and we go functions. Index. This is the index page. So we remove all this. Okay, remove all this, and paste this one. We use Firebase admin from Firebase admin, and okay, create user profile function. Functions the auth user on create will trigger this function, and we got the user ID and the email, nickname. And we use DB collection users to set data in users table. Okay. And this is the server side in Cloud Function. So we save this. And there have some error. What's error? tsconfig. Some error. Fix. Fix. Okay, fix. Okay, keep two files, package.json and tsconfig. Oh yes, lint tsconfig. Okay, keep all. Okay, and next we deploy this in Cloud Functions. Close. Index close. Okay. Deploy. We use this command. Firebase deploy only functions. Okay, not only funs. We got errors. So the errors means deploy command ext perhaps. Okay. Cursor. You need change packet.json. ESLint error. Index merge true. Oh, this is the same. EXLint. Okay. Some lint error. Okay, I try again. Firebase deploy only functions. And there, I think pay attention. This is node 20, and in the functions is 20. I think it's it's 20. It's 20. Engine is 20. Okay, it's done. Okay, nice. And refresh. We have our functions running in Firebase Cloud. Okay, create a user profile. This is the function. In the server side, it's running and it uses Firebase admin. We initialize the admin. Okay. Firebase admin. Okay, no need a key. Just use this Firebase admin, and it's done. It's in the server side. Okay, I create a user and will trigger the function onCreate, and we'll add data in users. So refresh. Okay. Refresh. Okay. Refresh. Register. Email. yy@moi.com. Okay. Sign up. Oh, yes, that's it. And in Auth, I already delete this set doc. Okay, we just create, and we create the user in Auth, in function Firebase Auth authentication, and go Firestore users, and we got this user yy. Okay, yy.y.com, and this is the functions. Trigger the function, onCreate, trigger this function, and function create a data in the Firestore. Okay. Request 1. Yes, perfect. So this let's say, okay. Okay. I like this. So register create. Before we use create, and this will trigger the rotor change. The use, I say. This will trigger the user change, and will fire the listener to make rotor change. And we use setDoc to set the data in users. And now I remove this setDoc. When create, the user will trigger the function in Firebase server, Firebase Cloud Function, and this is server side, and it's more secure, and it's very hard to fail. It's very hard to fail. And this in client side, it may fail. setDoc. Okay. Because this setDoc may fail in client side. Okay.